Today's video we have the 2023 Mercedes-AMG CLA 45 4-door coupe. I will show you guys the exterior features of this car, the interior, go for a drive and sign off with a resume. Under the hood of this CLA 45 is a 2-liter inline-4 turbo engine, and it produces 382 horsepower with 354 pound-feet of torque. And this car has an 8-speed automatic transmission. You can see the turbos back here, and handcrafted by Timo Wilhelm, Mercedes-AMG Germany. It's a real handcrafted AMG engine. I know what you guys are going to say, but this is the direction of Mercedes-Benz. These cars have good power delivery, even though it's a 2-liter inline-4. As you can see, it's finished in this digital white metallic exterior. Very aggressive front design here on the front fascia, larger intakes on either side. You can virtually see the intercoolers and how aggressive this front design, guys. AMG night package elements, high gloss black design right here, very large air intakes, Pan-American grille with the vertical struts, finish in gunmetal gray, front facing camera right here, AMG insignia on the right hand side, Mercedes star sits flush on the hood, power domes in the hood. And this car has the LED light package and multi-beam LED headlamps right here with the single eyebrow, Mercedes-Benz insignia, multi-beam insignia on the inside here. Looks very refreshing, guys. Side perspective, this car has the aerodynamics package. As you can see right here, very aggressive Aeroflex on the side, and gives the car very impressive look from this perspective. Wow. The front tires 255/35 R19. These are 19-inch rims, AMG forged rims with the chrome black finish. Front discs perforated, AMG branded brakes right here with the silver brake calipers, Turbo 4matic Plus insignia right here. Wow, very nice. Black side mirror housings, chrome door handles. And by the way, this car has what is known as an AMG Night Package Plus, which means that additional high gloss black elements on the rears right here on these AMG branded accents. I'll show you guys those right now. Finish in black, so note chrome. You might see some other CLA 45 in chrome. These are all finished in black because it has an AMG Night Package Plus. Also, this car has the performance exhaust system back here, quad exhaust door pipes, finished in black chrome. Very nice. Bumperettes on the lower part of the bumper here, and rear tires, Michelin Pilot Sport tires, 255/35 R19. Again, AMG forged rims, multi-spoke design. The rear discs are perforated. Very nice. Let's check out the trunk. AMG floor mats right here, and there is no electronic trunk lid, so you gotta hold this section of the trunk. And rear spoiler finish in black. Very nice, very elegant. As you can see here, the Aeroflex on this side of the performance exhaust system. Let's jump to the back seat here, and before I do that, I'm actually gonna move the front seat forward so I can have enough leg room in the back. Someone was sitting back here, push all the seat to the back. Okay, I'll show you guys the leg room. See how much leg room there is? About 3 inches. I'm 5'10", so more than enough leg room. Headroom is actually pretty decent, and cup holders are right here. 2 cup holders, and climate control systems within reach. Nice. And there's also, by the way, Usbc port down here. And that's a view from the back seat. Regular sunroof, accessory lights, and one other feature of this CLA 45 is it has frameless doors right here. Let's walk in this other side. I'll show you guys. Let's jump inside. Wow, this is such an aggressive look on this CLA 45. How cool is this? Dynamic select options in this car. Let's start from the top. Slippery mode, individual mode, comfort, sport, and sport plus. I will set it to the sport plus mode. Cold start. MBUX infotainment system, fully touch screen. Set it to the engine, and how amazing does that sound, guys? Let's see how this 2-liter inline-4 turbo engine performs. Love the AMG performance. Steering wheel with the flat bottom design. Feels very agile. Grips the road quite a bit. Sounds incredible, guys. Gear changes in this 8-speed automatic transmission feels very seamless. Arguably one of the best 2-liter inline-4 engines on the market from Mercedes-Benz. Actually, of most makes, it's this car. Of course, in Europe they have the CLA 45S, but in the US we don't have that car. Feels very solid, guys. Now, behind this AMG performance steering wheel, which is flat bottom design and aluminium back here, it has paddle shifters behind it. The upshift on the right hand side, the downshift on the left hand side. Around the corner, the brakes feel so adequate. Feels good. Cornering is excellent in this car. So agile, especially if you start to shift back and forth. And the sport suspension in the Sport Plus mode is quite stiff. Very stiff suspension. This car has the sport suspension, so it's very good for an adventurous drive experience or a spirited drive. And another feature I want to show you guys, as you drive this car from the MBUX navigation, if you go to the comfort menu, you want to enable seat kinetics, which means the driver receives additional bolstering from the seat. Let's go back, go to the AMG performance, check out the vehicle menu. You don't want to drive it too hard, it's not been broken in, so keep it quite quite soft in terms of spirited drive, but it's an excellent car. Dynamic select options. I'm gonna switch to the sport mode. In the sport mode, I can almost feel the suspension become softer as opposed to the sport plus mode. You can see the vehicle metrics. Very nice. All in all, the CLA 45 is it's an adventurous car. I think retail is about $65,000-$70,000, and very well balanced. If you get this car, make sure you get the AMG 9 package and the aerodynamics package, and also add the drive units down here. It's just going to be more rewarding if you can adjust the dynamic select options from up here instead of having to go down here. I'll set it to the comfort mode. Feels very nice, guys. Alright, that's the 2023 Mercedes-AMG CLA 45 4-door coupe. Thank you to Mercedes-Benz of Draper for providing this car. It's an excellent drive experience, as you'd expect. 360-degree camera system. I'll park it next to the E-Class. Very nice, comfortable seats. They have enough bolstering on the seat right here, and I love the contrast on the seat itself. And in terms of media, very adequate. Usbc connectivity ports down here, NFC wireless charging, climate control systems up here, good turbine inspired air vents with 64 colors ambient lights, and multimedia controls through the trackpad down here, with the volume and media options on the right hand side. Navigation maps. This car has 3D maps. If you go to advanced, you want to set the map orientation. Has a 3D map system. Good high quality displays for the driver as well. Very comfortable. Everything is within reach. Power memory seats, 1, 2, 3 here. Heated seats, aluminium. Love the leather here with the red contour stitching. So all in all, it's very well balanced cars. All the right gear inside here, cup holders, everything is within reach. And if you get a CLA 45, make sure you price it right in terms of options, and you're not going to regret it. So that's the AMG CLA 45, 2-liter inline 4, 382 horsepower with 354 pound-feet of torque. And that's it, guys. Till next time. By the way, subscribe to this channel, Mercedes Lounge, for weekly Mercedes-Benz and Mercedes-AMG videos. Until next time, stay positive but test negative. Peace.